Alright, this is replacing one of the bumper exhaust trim pieces on your Series 1 RX-8. Series 2 I believe is similar but not quite the same. Mazda calls them a guard. You got one on the left and one on the right. You can see this one. Got some damage up here from being rear-ended. This is your replacement part. Let's see if it focuses. I'll throw a picture in there. The left side is F15150371C. It's under $50 from the dealer. It's not too bad. Replacing is rather easy too. You can see at the bottom you have a hole for a clip there, a clip there, and the rest of this just clips right into the bumper. So I've already removed those two lower clips because they're a pain in the ass to get on camera. These two, and just use a tool like this. They're here and here. So the rest of this should, especially as damaged as it is, just kind of right out. Yep. Nice, you can see that's how it looks without that trim piece in place. And yeah, so installing the new one, as simple as apparently these are supposed to go in an angle. Yeah, kind of curve the piece up before you go in. And of course it wants to fight me. Luckily you can come in and go out a couple times without breaking all the clips. Okay, kind of go from this side that way. Once all those pieces are clipped in, just throw your two body fasteners down here. These are all old and not wanting to cooperate. There we go. This one. And that's two. And as simple as that. So replacing your left bumper guard on your Series 1 RX-8.